Hi everybody, tonight I will show you how I did my hat for newbies. First we will cast on by doing one in the front, one in the back. I'm going very slow to make sure that everybody catch that. Is very important to put that in front and in back for the first row. If you don't do every 2 stitch like this, it will not work. So for the first row you do this. One in the front, one in the back. During the video I will slower when it's very important like this. The video is not long, so it'll be quick to understand it. Sorry. So I continue, and when I reach the yarn feeder, I stop. Very important. Open the yarn feeder, close it, push your yarn down, and then you crank. When it's time to cast off, so you cut your yarn, you reach 120 rows, and then you crank your machine till you reach close to the yarn feeder like this, and then you stop, because if you continue you will lose all your stitches. And then with your yarn your needle, you will go and grab each stitch like this with the wool needle. You pass through the needle through the 2 little teeth that hold the stitch. So you do that. Very important. If you miss one, you will end up with a drop stitch, so that's not nice. It's not fun. It's always a way to fix it, but sometimes it's not fun. So I continue like that. So each one like this. Then crank a little bit more. So it's removed from the machine. Time to stretch it. Very important to stretch it. Stretch, 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 and then you pull on the tail like this. And then you take your wool needle and you will go and grab all the stitches around. So that will secure the hat and also prevent to having a hold on both hands. Will be tight. So that's very important. So when you're done one side, you go and do the other side. Sorry, I have a bad cough. So I will do the same thing on the other side. Pull, 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 put your in it. Sorry. And you do the same thing. You secure it by taking all the stitches like this. Pinch it. And then it's time to reach the other side. Stretch it. And then you go with your wool needle. Reach the middle. Put it in the middle like this. And you will go reach the other side in the middle too. Make sure you don't grab any side of the hat when you do that. So you pull those 2 together, you attach those 2 together, and voila, you got your hat. So bravo, you did your first hat with me. Just have to hide the little tail of yarn now. I will hide it between the 2 layers of my hat. Hope this information helped you to start using your machine. And I wish you all a great day. And take care everybody you know. See you next week for a new video. Ciao, ciao.